Welcome to Thar's Garage. In this video, I'll be unboxing the FlySky Noble NB4 along with the receivers I got and the FlySky FS-RM005 module to use with the Mini Zs. I'm excited because I personally haven't had a new radio since I was probably 13. So that's probably like 19 years ago. So the radio I currently have came with something I bought. So I'm excited to open this up. Nice box inside the brown box. Very nice presentation. So looks like the controller comes in this box itself. There's a nice little ribbon or strap that you can use to kind of pull it out. There we go. That's pretty cool. It kind of changes color when you move it. Maybe it'll come up on the video. So one cool thing about the Noble NB4 is that the wheel that is actually used to steer can move 180 degrees. So if you're right-handed or if you're left-handed, you can still use the controller. So that's pretty cool. That's a patented feature that they have. See what else comes in the box. Very nice to the touch, very nice fit and finish compared to the controller I am currently using. Let's see, there's another small box. Looks like it comes with the charging cable. So go ahead and open that up. Yeah, so it's a USB to, looks like micro USB cable. There's another grip in case you want to change out the grip. So I don't know which one's installed, but there's another grip that comes with it. Along the packaging are 2 springs. So maybe we can adjust. Looks like there's springs for the trigger down here. So maybe they're extra springs or maybe they're softer springs. Something that we can look into later on. It comes with screen protectors, it looks like. I think there's already one applied. I don't know if it comes that way or not, but I did buy this from HoustonRC, and I know that HoustonRC does update all the controllers before they give it out to their customers, because I think one customer bought it, tried to update the firmware, and bricked their controller. So it's nice that they do that for all their customers, so that way, you know, it's not on the customer if something goes wrong. So it looks like a quick start guide, very small manual, kind of just goes over what all the buttons do, how to turn it on and off, and how to bind everything. So pretty nice little manual to kind of get you started. And in the bottom of the box is the extra battery. So if you don't know, this is actually a battery bank. There's another battery inside the handle itself. And so you can put these together like so, just like that. And what that does, well, 2 things. It'll actually charge, this battery bank actually charges the battery in the controller itself, and then it also allows you to stand it up. The other nice feature about this battery bank, it has a USB output, so you can charge your phone, or if you have something else, you can use the battery bank to power that up. And what's nice is that there's some nice rubber feet on the bottom of the controller so it doesn't slip whenever you have it on a surface. Nice weight to it. It's not terribly heavy, but it does feel nice and solid, and it feels very high quality in my opinion for a radio at this price point. So I paid about 250 bucks for this at my local hobby shop, which is Houston RC. And what it came with was the controller, and it came with 2 receivers. So it came with a large antenna receiver. Let's open this up. So it came with the FGR4 receiver, and that came with a bind plug and a little antenna tube. It's a 4-channel receiver. And then it also came with an FG4RS D2 antennaless receiver and a bind plug. So this is really nice. I'm probably gonna put this in my buggy, and then I'll put this into like probably my short course truck or something like that. Additionally, what's nice, and the whole reason I bought the FlySky Noble NB4, is that you can install this module, which allows you to bind to your mini Z's. So since I do a lot of mini Z racing at Houston RC, all I gotta do is take this module and insert it into the bottom of this handle. So if you see here, this module, once I took the cover off, I can insert it like so, and now I don't have to install a receiver or anything in my mini Z. This will communicate with the mini Z itself. There's a binding protocol that you have to do and adjust some settings in the controller itself, and you can use your mini Z. So very nice. I like the price point, considering they claim 3 millisecond latency times in a sports mode that they have. So I'm gonna have to go and try that out. It has what they call haptic feedback. There's a force feedback motor that alerts you in like noisy and so that way you know if your controller is trying to talk to you. The on button is on the back right here, and I just turned it on. So it's a nice screen, color screen, and it has a bunch of options that you can program and do like that. Basically, you know, your super high-end radios, like this has basically everything that they do, so for a fraction of the cost. So I think this is a great, you know, intermediate radio, or a great radio to use for racing. Everyone's been recommending it to me, that I've kind of outgrown my Spektrum DX5C. So I'm gonna give this a try, especially since I do a lot of mini Z racing. It just made sense to have this one controller that I can use my on-road mini Z stuff and my off-road buggies. So definitely worth looking into. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can check out more information about this. I'd contact HoustonRC to see if they have any in stock. They usually do, so you can email them and see if you can get one from them. If not, I'll put a link to Amazon where you can buy pretty much the same thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And I'll see y'all in the next one, where I'll install, or I'll show you how to bind this to a Mini Z, and also how to install the receiver onto your new car, bind it, and then set up a new car. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.